Well, good evening, Mr. Parijat.
Very good evening.
Okay, we are going to start our class now, okay?
Yes, sir.
So last day our lesson was communicative number 4
Yes.
and presenting new sentences, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
all activities were present activity, and today all will be opposite, past activity, right?
Yes, sir.
Use of had been, were, and etc. So please present your new sentences so that we can get benefit, other people can be benefited, okay? And try to speak a little bit loud. Thank you. Please carry on.
Okay, starting number 1. আমার একটি গাভী ছিল, I had a cow. গণিতে তার ভালো জ্ঞান ছিল, he had a good knowledge in math. Tactic 2. খলিলগঞ্জে তার বাড়ি ছিল, he had a house in খলিলগঞ্জ. ঢাকায় কি তার কোনো বাড়ি ছিল কি? had he a house in ঢাকা? মহিলাটির অহংকার ছিল না, the lady had not a pride.
But why are you looking at book? You should look at us.
মহিলাটির কোনো অহংকার ছিল কি? had the lady any pride? Chapter number 3. তাদের একটি সন্তান ছিল, they had a single child. তোমার কোনো বন্ধু ছিল না, you had no friends. Chapter number 4. আমি উপস্থিত ছিলাম না, I was not present. কাজটি তোমার জন্য সহজ ছিল, the work was easy for you. Chapter number 5. Number 1. তুমি অসুস্থ ছিলে না, you were not ill. তুমি কি অসুস্থ ছিলে না, were not you ill? করিম স্কুলে ছিল, করিম was in the school. করিম কি স্কুলে ছিল, was করিম in the school. Chapter number 6. 1 নাম্বার, গাভীগুলো মাঠে ছিল না, the cows were not in the field. লোকটি খুবই সৎ ছিল, the man was very honest. Chapter number 7. Number 1. এই গ্রামে দুইজন বোবা ছিল, there were two. Sir, could I know the English of
Deaf.
deaf? Okay. There were two deaf men in this village. বনে একটি সিংহ ছিল, there was a lion in the forest. Chapter number 8. Number 1. এখানে কি একটি বাড়ি ছিল, was there a house there or here? Number 2. রাস্তায় কোনো মহিলা ছিল কি, was there any woman on the road? Chapter number 9. Number 1. এই শহরে ভিক্ষুক ছিল না, there was no beggar in this town. মাঠে একজন খেলোয়াড়ও ছিল না, there was not a single player in the field. Chapter number 10. Number 1. আমি সেখানে গিয়েছিলাম, I was going there.
Sorry, what was Bangla, please?
আমি সেখানে গিয়েছিলাম,
No, I think Bangla is not okay. English?
I was going there.
That's continuous. What should be Bangla?
আমি সেখানে যাচ্ছিলাম.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you very
So
much.
it is written here.
That's great.
Number 2. বাতাস বইতেছিল উত্তর দিকে, the wind was blowing in the by the south.
What is Bangla?
বাতাস বইতেছিল উত্তর দিকে,
I mean, north.
north. Okay. Chapter number 11. Number 1.
You can say the wind was blowing towards north.
Number 1. তারা আমার বাড়িতে লুকিয়ে ছিল, they were hiding in my house. তারা কি আমার বাড়িতে লুকিয়ে ছিল, were they hiding in my house? লোকটি তোমার ঘরে বসেছিল, the man was sitting in your house. লোকটি কি তোমার ঘরে বসেছিল, was the man sitting in your house? Chapter number 12. Number 1. তারা ঘরে বসেছিল না। They were not sitting in the house. লুবিনা চিঠি লিখছিল না। লুবিনা was not writing a letter. Title number 13. Number 1. সে কানাডায় 2 মাস ছিল। He had been in Canada for 2 months. তারা অনেক দিন জেলে ছিল। They had been in a jail a long time. আমি মাত্র 3 ঘন্টা অফিসে ছিলাম। I had been in the office 3 hours only. Title number 14. Number 1. আমি ঢাকায় যেতে চেয়েছিলাম। I wanted to go to ঢাকা। তাদের আজ খেলার কথা ছিল না। They were not wanted to play today. তার সকালে আসার কথা ছিল।
They did not want to.
They did not want to play today. Right? Chapter number 15. Number 1. তোমার দিনে আসা উচিত ছিল।
Sorry. English.
You could come at the.
So, what should be Bangla?
তুমি দিনে আসতে পারতে।
Yes, great. Thank you.
Number 2. তুমি বইটি কিনতে পারতে। You could buy the book. That's all for today. Thanks for listening to me.
Thanks. Thank you very much indeed. Okay.